Hi, I'm Guy Cook, and I'm talking about are you using the best tools for digital success? And one of those tools is a link shortener. Is it giving you critical analytics that you need for making sure things work? I mean, you're going to have to know about click-through rates and the demographics of your audience, geographical data. Should you run a classified ad in the newspaper in Cleveland, Ohio, because there's a lot of visitors coming from Cleveland? Make sure that you've got the right tool for the job when you're going to go into shortening links. I use a tool, Bitly, for making link shorteners because it has great analytics and it's price right. That's two important considerations. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on theguyrcookreport.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on youtube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.